Hey, this is Carl Anderson with MarineMax Charleston off Daniel Island, and we just received a 2022 Scout 175 Sportfish. This boat is not sold. This boat is available and in stock. It made it through production without getting pre-sold. Some of the optional equipment you see on board: bow cushion, storage beneath, the bimini top, the crystal blue gel coat. Got rear seat standard, upgraded leaning post that has an adjustable backrest and cooler beneath. Stereo is on board with 4 speakers. That is a Fusion Bluetooth stereo. Battery switch. The boat does have trim tabs with LED indicators for the trim tab remote. Glove box storage. Digital gauges from Yamaha. There's the trim tabs off the back. Boat is powered with a 115 4-stroke from Yamaha. And we also have hydraulic steering. If you have any questions or if you'd like to see this boat while it's still here, give us a call at 843-747-1889 and check us out online at MarineMax.com. Again, this is Carl Anderson, and thanks for watching.